Let's talk about the design check feature. This block clearly has many design errors, so we will run a design check and discuss such errors as well as how to correct them. The design check feature can be selected from the ribbon menu at the top of the screen. The first error is wall thickness with manifold faces, as there are less than 0.118 inches, or approximately 3 millimeters, between port 1 of the front and left face. My system is currently in inches, but if set to millimeters, the design check will display in millimeters. To fix this error, I would move port 1 to a more interior portion of the block. Currently, it even displays negative numbers as parts of its spot face are off the faces of the manifold block. I'm going to leave it in place for now, just in order to demonstrate another error. Our next error is spot face clearance between port 2 and cavity 1. To resolve this error, one or both cavities need to be moved farther away from each other. Next, we have invalid intersections. The intersection of port 3 and port 1 of cavity 2 is invalid, as they are each in different colored nets. We could validate this intersection by making them part of the same net, or rearranging them so they don't intersect. We also see the working area of port 1, symbolized by the yellow coloring, intersecting the dead area of cavity 1, symbolized by the gray coloring. We can use connect cavity to remedy this error, and in doing so, it will likely remedy our previous wall thickness with manifold faces error. We also have a broken nets error. As we can see, net 1, the red net, is not connected, and neither is net 3, the green net. By using connect cavity with these nets, we can resolve the error. To leave the design check menu, we can either select escape on the keyboard or select another command from the ribbon. Now when we run a design check, the design check comes back with no errors. Aside from the design check, we can also inquire wall thickness between two cavities from the ribbon menu by selecting the command and the two cavities we are interested in. To cancel this command, we can select escape